What's going on, guys? TxModNetwork here, back again today for another video. I've had a few requests of people kind of wanting to hear audio from inside the truck, kind of seeing what the exhaust sounds like, and I'm not sure how well exactly the camera will pick it up or anything, but we're going to do a little bit of driving and kind of get a feel for how the exhaust sounds in the truck. I'm going to jump on the highway real quick here, and I don't know if you can hear anything right now, but it's just basically I'm doing about 20 miles an hour. We're just going to do a pull, kind of getting onto the highway and just get a better idea of the sound inside of the truck if we can hear real quick. Alright, let's see if we can get on the highway here real quick, just do kind of a quick pull. That's about 80 miles an hour, so not sure exactly how much you can hear, but just hopefully this gives a better idea. Just cruising, I'm doing about 75, 70, just kind of highway speeds, kind of give you an idea. You can't really hear that much of the exhaust inside the truck. I'm sure the camera really doesn't pick it up that well either, but I definitely want to get a video out for you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of look and clip inside the truck, kind of seeing if you can pick up any of the sound at all. New stuff coming soon, work's kept me busy, hoping to get some great content out. Real quick, I really want to get going on the Bronco, trying to get everything kind of lined up for that. Still dealing with the electrical issues, want to get it actually running first, and then we're really going to get moving on that thing, change it around a bit. The camera's probably going to fall off the dash here in a minute, but I'm just going to stop talking here for just a couple more minutes, let you guys see and hear kind of what the sound of the exhaust is. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little sound clip. I'm not sure exactly how well it kind of, showed the truck off or anything, or the sound, but hope to be back to you guys with another video soon. Thanks for watching. If you did like the video, please remember to subscribe and come back. More content hopefully soon.